friends, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shaista S. So friends, welcome back here. So friends, before starting this video, I want to tell you to all my supporters who subscribe to my channel and who are supporting to me. So thank you so much to all of you for supporting me, and who are my friends who are watching my video till the end without skipping. So a big thanks to them. And the people who are watching my video and who didn't subscribe, so I request you all, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. So yeah friends, today we are going to learn a very different and very unique thing in Scratch, and the name of it, feed your pet in Scratch. So now today we are going to learn how we can make a feed and drink project in Scratch. So first I will click on this green flag. You can listen this sound also. Now this monkey is hungry, so he wants to eat a banana. So I will click on this banana. He eated banana also. Now he want to drink water, so I will click here on the glass of water. You can see that how he eated the banana and how he drink the water. So this is a very short but very interesting project in Scratch. So this is the coding of backdrop, and the tropical birds are also just sounding, so it's looking very good. And this is the coding of monkey. This is the coding of banana, and this is the coding of glass of water. So yeah friends, let's create a new one. So yeah guys, before that I want to tell you, if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, so please subscribe it and ring the bell icon, and please watch this video till the end, don't skip it. So yeah, now first we will take some sprite. So now first we have to take a kind of animal. You can take any kind of animal, but now I am taking a monkey. So from the animal category I have chosen a monkey. So let's see. Yeah, this monkey I have chosen. Now it will export here, you can see. And now let's choose a banana. So banana is a kind of food, we all know a fruit. So from the category you can choose, but I got it here, so I will choose this from here. And now I have to choose the glass of water. So you can take it from food category if it's available. So let's see. Yeah, the glass of water, even I have taken it. Now it's time to take a backdrop. So here I am taking a garden rock backdrop because the monkey is also sitting. If you want to take any kind of another, so you can take. So let me see where the garden rock backdrop is. So let's find it. You can search it also, but I got it from this garden rock. Now I will just put the position of banana and the glass also. You can change the size of monkey. You can do it 90 will be much better if you want. So let's choose 90. Let's see. Yeah, I think it is much better. So you can set it here and you can put the banana here. You can change the size of banana also. You can do it 90 also here. But the glass of water will be much more small because it's too big. So you can do it 60. Let's see. Yeah, these size are perfect. Now we need to do first the coding of backdrop. So let's code the backdrop. So first I will go in event block. When green flag click, from the control block forever, and we want a kind of sound. So you can take any sound, but I am deleting this pop sound, and I am taking a kind of tropical birds who are just listening and who are just sounding. So I am taking that. You can take anyone as you want. So let's search it here, tropy, so you will get it. Let's listen. Wow, you can listen here. So I am taking this. This is very soft and very relaxing sound, backdrop sound. So I am taking this. And then from the sound block, play sound tropical birds until done. You can put it here in forever block. So let's drag it here. Now just save it. And now it's time to put the coding first on banana, because first the monkey will eat banana. So that's why we have to do the coding on banana. So let's take the banana. Yeah. Now we need to go in event block, and here we have to take when this sprite click, means when banana will click. So from the looks block, he will go to the front layer. Okay, so you can take it from here, you will get it. So let's choose it from the looks block, front layer. Go to front layer, and then we need to make a broadcast. So for that, go in event block, click on broadcast, click on new message, and type here as a food. Then okay it, and after that go on the event block and choose broadcast food, and then go in control block, take when 1 second, wait 1 second, and then go in looks block, choose the hide button from the menu. So where is hide button? Let's see. Yeah, this is here. So choose it from here. You can take hide also, and even we need to take show also. So let's take it. So wait 1 second. So after that we need to drag hide button, then again go in control, take again wait 1 second, and then show it. Now we have to put the coding on the monkey. So go on event block, tap on event, and then tap on when this sprite click. So if you want, you can take, but I want that when I am clicking on the banana, so then the monkey is going to eat. So that's why you can take when I receive food, like that. And then go in motion block and take glide 1 sets to bananas. Instead of random position, we need to take bananas. And then go on sound and see chomp sound is here. So just take it start sound chomp, and after chomping then go on control, then wait for 5 seconds, you can take. Then go in motion block, take glide 1 sets to, this time we need to take position also. So the starting position of this monkey will be, yeah, so this is minus 42 and 35. So we can do it as a minus 50 and y will be 60. So take it minus 50 and y will be 60. Then go on control. After tapping on control, take when wait 1 second. Then tap on looks block. Then take switch costume to. So now we want monkey B. So you can see from the costumes also, monkey B is how it's looking. It's looking like this. His eyes is on upper side. So you can take monkey B and then tap on control block. Take wait 1 second. Then again tap on looks block and take switch costume to monkey A. Now we need to put code to glass water. So the glass of water, what I will do, first go on event block. After tapping that, take this when this sprite will click. Tap on looks block. Take the front layer. So go to the front layer we have to take. So let's find it here. Okay, here it is, front layer. So you can take it from the menu. So just drag it from here also. It's going too fast. That's why I'm stopping this. Yeah, you can take it now. So by here you can take, even before that you can take also the go to front, and that then we need to make a broadcast also. So go on go to front layer and then tap on event block, make a broadcast again. Instead of food, now we want a new message, and the new message will be drink. So after drinking that, go on control block, drag this broadcast drink here, wait for 1 second, then go in looks block, switch costume to glass water. So now we want glass water empty, that's why, so the empty glass is only glass water B. So take it, then go on sound and take this start sound water drop, drag it here, then again tap on control block, take wait 1 second block, then go in looks block, again take switch costume to glass water A. This time we need to put A. After this we need to save it, so let's save it, it's saving. So after that again we have to do the coding of monkey. So let's go in monkey side. Now we need to code the monkey, so just scroll down it and then again go in event block and take when I receive drink. So we have done the food also, now we want a drink, so that's why we now do go on the motion block and go to random position. Instead of random position, this time choose glass water, then tap on control block, choose wait 1 second, and then again go in motion block and then choose glide 162. So you can choose this position 1 also, and then x will be -50, again this starting position will be, and y will be like 60 as it is. Yeah, we have done. Now let's save it. Now let's click on this full screen and click on green flag. You can listen the soft sound of background also. Now monkey is hungry, so just click on banana. He eat it and he sit it again. Now he want to drink water, so click on the glass of water. He drank it and the glass was empty. Again just stop it, again just click on green flag, then click on this time, just click on the glass of water. He drink and then click on this banana. Yeah guys, so that's all about today. Hope you like this project. So if you like this project, so please like my video also, share it more and more guys, please. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet or you are new on my channel, so please subscribe it, ring the bell icon and tell me in comment section how was my this video. And thank you so much to all of my supporters, and thank you so much who are watching my video till the end. Thank you. Thanks for watching.